In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic human videos with Kling AI and make your AI-generated people look more natural. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before generating the video, decide what the person should look like, what they should do, and where the scene should take place. Start by creating a clear description of the person. You can describe their approximate age, hairstyle, clothing, appearance, facial expression, and overall style. Keep important details consistent if you plan to use the same person in multiple scenes. Next, describe the action. Use simple and natural movements, such as walking, turning, sitting, talking, looking around, or gently moving their hands. For example, you could write, "A realistic young man wearing a dark jacket walks slowly through a modern city street, looking around naturally." With subtle facial expressions and realistic body movement, then describe the environment and lighting. You can use natural daylight, soft indoor lighting, golden hour sunlight, or cinematic evening lighting depending on your scene. Camera movement is also important. A smooth tracking shot, gentle push-in, or controlled close-up can make the video feel more realistic and professional. If you're using image to video, upload a clear reference image with a well-defined face and body. Then focus your prompt mainly on the movement you want to add. After generating the video, preview it carefully. Pay special attention to the face, eyes, hands, fingers, body proportions, clothing, and interaction with the environment. If something looks unnatural, don't change the entire prompt. Identify the specific issue and adjust that part before generating another version. For better results, avoid asking the person to perform too many complicated actions at once. Simple